The Learn GMP Incorporated presents the summary of 21 CFR Part 820. Subpart A, General Provisions. Introduction. Subpart A sets the foundation for the Quality System Regulation, QSR, by defining its scope, applicability, and key terms. It establishes the overarching framework for how the rest of the regulation should be interpreted and followed. Scope. Purpose. This section outlines the overall purpose of 21 CFR, Part 820. It specifies that the regulation applies to all manufacturers of medical devices, including finished devices, in vitro diagnostic products, and certain components and accessories that are intended for human use. Applicability. Manufacturers must comply with the provisions of 21 CFR Part 820 when engaging in the design, manufacturing, packaging, labeling, storing, installation, or servicing of medical devices. This regulation is mandatory for any company distributing medical devices within the United States. Key point: it does not apply to all aspects of medical devices, for example clinical trials, but only to the parts of the process related to design and manufacture of the device itself. Section 820.3, Definitions. The purpose of this section provides the definitions for key terms used in the regulation. Understanding these definitions is crucial for interpreting and complying with the requirements outlined in the rest of Part 820. Section 820.3, Key Definitions. Acceptance activities. The process of verifying that the medical device meets specified requirements. Corrective and preventive action, CAPA actions taken to eliminate the causes of existing nonconformities or potential nonconformities in order to prevent their recurrence. Design history file, DHF, a compilation of records that describes the design and development of a device. Device master record, DMR, a collection of documents containing the specifications, production procedures, and quality control information for a particular device. Non-conforming product, a product that does not meet the specified requirements and may not be suitable for release into the market. Key point: the definitions in this section are critical for understanding the obligations manufacturers have under the regulation. Summary of Subpart A. Section 820.1 explains the scope and applicability of 21 CFR Part 820, emphasizing its relevance to manufacturers of medical devices that are intended for human use. Section 820.3 provides definitions for critical terms used in the regulation. These definitions ensure consistency and help manufacturers interpret the specific requirements they need to follow. Subpart A is foundational in setting the stage for the specific and detailed requirements that follow in the other subparts of Part 820. These provisions ensure that all manufacturers understand their responsibilities and the terminology they will encounter throughout the regulation. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com.